test out the, had a brain fart, okay. What is it? Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is test out the garment steamer. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Helen. I'm all about DIY, organization, design, cooking, and so much more. So today I thought, you're probably thinking, why am I sitting so close and in a very awkward position between the back of my couches or my tub chairs and the curtains? That's because, I'm just gonna move back a little bit. That's because I've actually moved, and I've moved into the current home, which is a mid-century modern type home, and I had to wash all the curtains because everything was very dusty and dirty, and so I thought we will unbox the Anko handheld steamer and see how well it comes out. So the reason being is that all the curtains are pretty wrinkly, as you can see, so they're looking pretty yeah, not that great. So I thought we'd just check it out and see if this product works. I've also got a couple of shirts that I'd like to test drive with this product as well. So really quickly, don't forget to follow my channel. That'll really help me out, and you can also check me out on Instagram as well, and leave me a like and any comments that you might want to know. This is the Anko handheld steamer. It's 80 ml capacity. It heats up in 30 seconds. It's supposed to remove odors and creases from garments really quickly and compact to light. So if you're like me, on the go, especially if you're heading into work and you just want to quickly refresh something, this product should be the one. So now I'm just going to open this up and we'll see what's in the box. So we have this little brush. Not sure what that is. Probably the instruction booklet. Yeah, so then we've just got the handheld steamer. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and then we have our different settings. So we have lock, and then I'd say like a first setting of steam and then a second setting of steam. This is the water tank just here. So you just fill that up. Boot up in 30 seconds. 30 seconds, so let's see. Be quite good. So get that going. I'm assuming this brush, I haven't read the instructions just yet, but it's got a little clip on the front. So I'm assuming you just clip it on, and this is just to brush fabric and stuff. So probably to freshen it up a little bit further. So I'm just gonna take this one off, and then we can trial it with the brush as well. Turn it on. Blue light comes on like so. It starts to make a noise. So you can see the steam coming out like so. Okay, so I'm just going to hold the curtain. It's definitely not doing anything. And this is a very easy fabric, I think. I can't see it really being that hard, so switch it off for a sec. So it says do not use the appliance horizontally, so it says or upside down, so don't do that. Only for shirts and different things, so why don't we just try and give that a go, because that didn't work. Yeah, it's not working to my liking. Let me see if I do this, if this does anything. Okay, maybe switch that off. So I'll shove that in. It's still wrinkly. So okay, so that's a fail. Didn't work. Doesn't work on shears, doesn't work on curtains. Let's give it a go now on a shirt that I've got. So let's head on over to the laundry. So just pardon me, house is still underway. So what I'm going to do, I have this shirt. I have my favorite white shirt that I wear, and it's all wrinkled up. And we're going to try it because this is what it is, a garment steamer. So let's see if this works first on a garment. This is our t-shirts. I've also got a t-shirt that I can test out as well. Already see guys. So yeah, I'd say it's definitely working on the garment. I don't know if there's any suggestions on what I could use to iron my curtain. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you have a machine or something else, I'd love to know. I'm not keen to take them down and start again. If you have something, that'd be great. Okay, so that's that side there. Now this top. So we're gonna give a go on the jersey type cotton top and see how that goes. This should be quite easy as well. Overall, this is the shirt, and I haven't even finished it, but it did the collars quite nicely as well. The sleeves came out good, so it's something that's on the go, fast, easy to use, really good. The t-shirts, really good as well. So any sort of jersey tops, I found it got creases out quite well. I probably, with this one being a unique type top, I would have to iron it a little bit further. Okay guys, so overall I think the Kmart Anko Garment Steamer is actually fantastic for what it is. It's $35. It's really light, compact, easy, boots up in 30 seconds. Worth it, I think, to have just in your laundry as a handy go-to accessory. Gets really hot. You've got a brush accessory as well if you need that. Yeah, it's a good winner. So thank you so much for watching today, guys. If you liked my video, please give me a like, a thumbs up. It'll help me deliver more content. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you'd like to see this on other things being used, let me know. I'm happy to do that too. So until next time, have a good one. See you then. Bye.